wanted to show you guys my personal animal. I really like this thing. I mean, it comes in without a drop of water in it, not a drop. And what I'm really excited about lately is these prototype high rake props. They are so awesome. They are just performing amazing and get me to 100 miles an hour every chance I get, every time I try. They haven't broken, bent, deflected, or anything, and they are feather light. Feather light. Soon, we already have them in M4, but soon, as our new shafts are M5, we're gonna make some CNC aluminum bullets. What that does is it reduces weight on the end of it. When there's a lot of weight, like the steel on the end of a prop, which most all of them have, it promotes vibration. With it feather light aluminum, there's not something on the end promoting it to vibrate with even the slightest imperfection. But yeah, these things, once these catch on, and once people just start trying these out and hitting 100 with these things are going to take off because they are readily available. They have been designed by our prop guru, which is amazing, who is the fastest in America. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I'll be able to have some videos for you guys soon of these props in action. More. It's difficult to film a boat this fast by myself. But yeah, talk to you guys soon.